Everyone sees the closing photos, the big checks, the flexible schedule, but what is real estate actually like as a career, and what does it take to really succeed? Hi, this is EricaH, broker owner of RE/MAX Momentum. Last week, I talked about how to get your real estate license in Colorado. Today, I give you the honest, real version of what this career is like and the skills you need if you actually want to build a successful business and career. Real estate is not just a job, it's a business. You are not just an agent, you are a marketer, a negotiator, a problem solver, and a business owner all in one. Honestly, looking at pretty houses has actually very little to do with having a successful business in real estate. There is a lot of freedom in this career, but with that freedom, there comes responsibility. There is no guaranteed paycheck. We're fully commission-based. Nights and weekends, those are inevitable and pretty normal. You need to be available within reason when your clients need you. You control your schedule, but your clients drive it. But do not worry. There are many upsides to real estate as a career. Unlimited income potential if you're willing to put in the hours and hard work. Flexibility when you have built proper systems, and you get to truly help people through very big life moments. And then you can build a business that grows beyond just you. One of the biggest misconceptions is that real estate is easy money. The truth is this is farthest from the truth. What people do not see is the follow-up, the marketing, the negotiations, the deals that fall apart, the long hours, and the problem solving behind the scenes. We risk our time and our money in hopes of getting a client and getting it to the closing table. If it were easy, everyone would still be in the business a year later. And the good majority, unfortunately, do not make it through year one. It is harder than they thought. But if you have the following skills and a solid work ethic, your chances at success are better. The first skill needed in real estate is you have to be able to communicate clearly and consistently and precisely. Your clients want to feel informed and confident every step of the way. And guys, this goes well beyond a text message or an email. We have to get voice to voice. Secondly, you will need to have great consistent follow-up skills, as the money is in the follow-up, as they always say. Most agents fail because they do not follow up and are inconsistent. Third is marketing and lead generation. If you do not leads, you do not have business. If you do not have the leads, you will need to know how to attract clients, whether that is social media, open houses, your database, community involvement, and a million other systems. Luckily at RE/MAX Momentum, we help our agents with setting these systems up. Time management is our fourth skill, and this one is the hardest for many agents. You will need to learn how to structure your day because you do not have a time clock, and no one else is going to do it for you. And yes, doing your laundry during the day does not constitute as a business activity. It is easy to think you are working when you really aren't. So I recommend to all of my agents here at RE/MAX Momentum that they track their activities to ensure they are working. We are problem solvers and master negotiators. Every transaction has its challenges. We need to be able to stay calm, find solutions, and protect our clients. Lastly is your mindset, and this can be the most important skill. You must be able to have a positive mindset, as there will certainly be rejection. There will be deals that fall apart. There will be days that you question all of your life choices, even me. Your mindset is what's going to keep you going, and you must continue to practice and grow your mindset. So now you are thinking, I have all of the skills, so what separates the top agents? What I have seen in over 25 years in the real estate business is the agents who succeed treat this like a business and a job, not just a side hustle. They invest in training, they stay consistent, they build their systems, they show up even when it's hard. Always remember, working works. If you are thinking about getting into real estate or you just got your license, my goal with this series is to give you the real roadmap to building a successful career. If you are a current agent that feels stuck and not reaching your next set of goals, this series will help as well, and we would love to help you here at RE/MAX Momentum. Next week, we're going to talk about getting your first clients because that is where most agents get stuck. The first one is always the hardest. Follow me for the next video in this series. If you have any questions, drop a comment or you can reach out to me directly. My cell phone is 303-903-1240 or EricaH@remax.net. I am always happy to help. Thank you for your time and have a great day.